In this video, I will show you how to create long AI videos with consistent characters just like this one. Now, let me take you through the entire process step by step just by using Grok AI. By the end of this video, you should be able to create your own long video with these simple steps. So now, allow Auntie Debbie, your #1 coach, to take you through the process. Let's get started.
So to generate long AI videos with Grok AI, it is very easy. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next few minutes. So the first thing we need is your prompt to generate your images. So assuming you don't have any image that you want to use, then you need to first generate a prompt. So this is the image prompt I asked ChatGPT to generate for me. So you can see I've asked ChatGPT to generate different prompts for me. I'm going to pick one of the prompts randomly and use. Okay, so we're going to go with this one. Let's go with this prompt. Go to your browser and type ImageFX there. Now click on the option that comes with Google Labs. We are going to click on this option like this. Now click on Launch ImageFX right inside this box and click on the paste button to generate your image. So these are the images. We can preview them and see. All right, so we're going to click on the download button to download one of the images. So let's see. Which one should we go with? I think we can go with this one. There's a download button. Click on it to download the image. Another way you can generate your images is by using Grok AI or ChatGPT. Open to your browser and type Grok AI. Now click on the first option, that is Grok. So come to this section where you have what you want to know. Enter your prompt there. So I'm going to click inside the box and click on paste. Okay, then hit on the generate button for Grok to generate the image for me. Wow, that's so nice. And the generation was so fast. One thing I noticed about Grok is that when you generate your image right from the homepage like this, you will not be able to set your aspect ratio or to make changes to the aspect ratio. Meaning you're going to get the auto aspect ratio, that's the 9:16. So if you want to change the aspect ratio or you want to generate images based on specific aspect ratio, then I'll show you another way to do that. Come to this categories here and click on the imagine. So this is the imagine button. Tap on it like this. Then come to this section where we have videos and click on this arrow. Then choose the aspect ratio from here. So you can choose a 2:3 or the 3:2. This will give you landscape images and this will give you portrait images and this will give you square images. So let's go with the landscape images. So you tap on it like this and then come to this section and enter your prompt. So right click inside and click on paste. So this is a prompt. All we're going to do is to hit on the generate button like this to generate a video. All right, so you can see this one has generated the video animation right away. So now you can see this one has generated the video instead of image. So that's how the imagine works. But if you are looking for image before converting it to a video, then you have to use the method 1. Okay, now that we have our animation already, there's the animation. Now the next we are going to do is to continue the story from there. So before we continue the story from there, let's play the video first. All right, so now if you want to continue the video from here, we are going to pause the video and move our playhead to the last frame of this video. So this is the last frame. What you are going to do is to right click on the video like this and go through these options here. We are going to look for copy video frame. So click on copy video frame like this and then come to this section and enter the video frame. So you're going to click on the paste button like this. The next thing you're going to do is to write our prompt, what we want the image to do from here. So he walked to the kitchen and took a watermelon and ate with the seed. So this is the prompt we want to use to continue the video. So we are going to hit on the generate button from here. All right, so this is exactly what we want. But if you don't like the way the watermelon transformed from the whole melon to half melon, we can regenerate it by clicking on the redo button here like this to regenerate it again. Okay, so let's go with this one. I think I like the second animation. Now the next thing you're going to do is to pause the video again and then bring your playhead here. So this is the last frame. I think I prefer this one. Now when you are copying the last frame, make sure that the last image you want to copy is a bit clearer, so that it can be able to maintain the quality of the image and the video as well. So what you're going to do is to right click on the video again and click on copy video frame. Then we are going to come here, then click on the back button and come to this section and enter, right click inside the box and click on the paste button to paste the last frame. Now the next you want to see in this frame is to see the watermelon plant growing from the body. Okay, so now the next we are going to do is to enter another prompt, what we want the character to do or what we want to see after this section. So this is the next prompt: watermelon plant growing from the ears, nose and mouth. He ran out of the house to the street. So let's hit on the generate button to see if what we are imagining is what we are going to get. So this is exactly what we are looking for, but I don't like the fact that he went backwards. So we are going to click on the redo button. Okay, so this is a second attempt. Let's try the third attempt to see. Wow, the third attempt is also funny. There's no dress on him and I don't like that. So what I'm going to do is to click on the back button here to go for the second option. There's a second option. I'm not going to use the last frame, but I'm going to copy this frame like this. Right click on it and click on copy video frame and then click on the go back button and then come here and paste the video frame. Okay, then here I'm going to enter the next prompt. So this is what I want to see in the next animation. He ran to the street and fell down. The children on the street were watching him and laughing. So let's hit on the generate button to see what we are going to get right from here. Alright, so this is how you generate long videos with Grok AI. Now when you finish generating all your video clips, the next thing you are going to do is to come to this section where we have the download button and download your video clips to your device. So now we're going to come here to download all the video clips that we have generated. So tap on favorites like this and then come to the video clips. So there's the first one we generated. We're going to click on the download button to download it. Okay, now if you don't like the first animation you generated, you can see there is an arrow here. It will give you the opportunity to view the previous animation you used this particular image to generate for this scene. So you can tap on this like this. You can see this is the first animation we generated and we didn't like it. So if you like it or you have a change of mind, you want to use it, then you can use that. But I'm going to click on the arrow, the back arrow or the forward arrow to view the second option. So this is the second option. I'm okay with this one. Now I'm going to go back, click on the favorites again, and then come to this section where the plant started growing from the nose or from the body. Now we're going to hit on the download button here to download this to our device. Okay, so we're going to hit on the download button to download this one too. Now when you finish downloading all your video clips to your device, the next thing you are going to do is to put all together using an editing app of a choice. So for the editing app, you can use Filmora, you can use CapCut, but for this video we are going to use Wondershare or Filmora to do that. So open to Filmora and click on new project and then click on the import button to import the video clips that you generated. So these are the video clips. I'm going to copy everything and click on the open button to import now the video clips based on your storyline. So it started from here, so I'm going to tap and drag and drop it on my timeline like this. This is the second clip, this is the third one. Let's play the full video to see how it looks first. When you finish generating your video clips and putting everything together using any editing app of your choice, you can now go ahead and click on the export button and export the video. If you like to, you can add some video effects or some animations to join the clips smoothly. But if you're okay with the smoothness of the video, then click on the export button at the top here and choose the highest resolution available that is 4K. So the resolution I have here is 4 and then 3, and then we're also in the thousands, so depending on how you want it. But the higher you go, the more quality your video is. So you can choose the highest available. Now you can go ahead and click on the export button to export the video to your device.
So what do you think about this video? Drop your comment below, like and subscribe to this channel. Now watch other AI video tutorials on this channel. I will see you in other videos. Bye!